Hey, what's up everyone? How you doing today? I hope everybody's enjoying his time during this quarantine life. I hope you're getting used to it. I hope you're trying to be more energetic. I hope you're creating something. I hope you're getting the best out of this time, and don't get depressed. Create, enjoy, do something good, learn. And today we're going to be talking about something really big that just happened today in the camera industry. Canon has announced new specs for the Canon EOS R5. If you guys don't know what is the EOS R5, EOS R5 is the newest camera from Canon that is trying to compete with all the cameras that we see in this modern day. It's I would say the first major mirrorless camera from Canon that is trying to strike against Sony, against Panasonic, against Blackmagic. Canon is competing all in with this camera, and the amount of specs that it has is absolutely. And today we're going to be talking about the new features that we see in that announcement, and the reason that you're going to be needing to sell all your gear and switch to Canon. Guys, I'll tell you a couple secrets right here, and it's no secret that Canon is changing the game. So all I need you to do is just watch the video. Let me know if you like the video or not. Leave me some comments. Are you switching? You're not switching? And let me know what camera you guys use nowadays and what camera do you trust, and will you do the switch or not. Also, if you can subscribe to our channel, I would be so happy. I'm still in my son's room during the quarantine. I can't leave home. So a couple subscribers extra will make me happy. And if you want, just like the video, follow us on Instagram at Hans Media, and let's roll the intro. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Hans, and yes guys, stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna let you know that you really need to start selling your camera gear starting from today, because things are gonna change. Things are gonna change for a huge difference that's coming after that Canon R5 announcement. Guys, I really I'm glad that Canon has been the sleeper of the bunch, and Canon is going to strike with that camera, and it's you know, it have all the Canons of Canon out, so that's why. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, please press a like, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why the new EOS or EOS Canon R5 is going to be the best camera in the last 20 years. First, we're going to talk about the stuff that we already know about the Canon R5, which is basically 8K recording, 4K recording. I'm going to be talking about the video stuff. I'm not going to be talking about anything related to photography because I'm not a photographer myself, and that's something that I'm not going to be doing, and I will leave it to the experts. But we're going to be talking about the video. What has been confirmed so far is the 8K, but they didn't mention how it's going to be the 8K. Last night they confirmed that the 8K will be up to 30 frames per second, dual autofocus. Yep, dual pixel autofocus. That's mind-blowing. That will give everyone the possibility of just imagine anything you can do. You can have 8K, and you can crop even to 1080. Do you know what that possibly mean for the regular person that doesn't know anything about cameras or videography or framing? That means that you can have 8,000 pixels that you can move and do reframing. I'm not gonna assume that everybody knows, but imagine that you're delivering your product in 1080 and then you're shooting 8K. That means you can have different positioning, different framing. You can have this part of the frame, this part of the frame, this part of the frame, this part of the frame. You can do a lot of things with 8K. Another thing that we knew about, because I'm having it here, yeah, 4K 120p. That's right, 4K 120. That is a standard in a $20,000 camera, $50,000 camera, $100,000 camera. Usually it's I haven't seen it in any camera below 10,000, I believe. 4K 120p with dual pixel autofocus. That means that you can take that super buttery what do you call it, slow motion, that smooth, that the one you see in commercial, high-end commercials, with autofocus. I don't know how they're going to be doing this or why we did not have this before, but Canon has done it. And we're gonna have 4K 60. All these 8K, 4K, and all the other stuff that's gonna be happening is gonna be in RAW, RAW, and that will be Canon C-Log as well. So, guys, we're talking about something that will disrupt the industry. I don't think this will be in a good competition with any other camera will be able to compete with that. I doubt it. I doubt that the S1H will compete. The Sony, whatever lineup that they have right now, the A7 III, the A6400, the A9 II, or Blackmagic 6K, this is competition. This is real competition. And guess what? 4K 120, 8K, C-Log, RAW, and 4222. 422, 10-bit. This is nuts. This is really crazy. So enough with this. Why I was telling you to sell your cameras, because once this camera is released, and the amount of people that are gonna be like jumping on trying to get this camera is gonna be enormous. So everybody will be trying to get this camera, and it's gonna be back ordered and all, you know the drill. But what's gonna happen to the actual price of your actual gear and camera once this camera is out? With the amount of demand, everybody will be selling it after the camera has been released, which we don't know if it's May, if it's June, if it's July, with everything that's happening right now. We don't know yet. But the thing is, you need to sell your gear now, before the release date, before the actual, if you're thinking to switch to Canon, or if you are a Canon shooter, or if you are a shooter that we're not going to be able to afford RF glass plus the new cameras, and you need to sell your stuff and start doing this. So I suggest you start selling your stuff gradually from now. Sell your cameras. If you have two, just keep one with you, sell the other one. If you have multiple lenses, sell your lens, keep one of the lens that you're doing. We already don't get too much jobs at the moment, everybody's staying at home, so maybe it's a good chance to start selling your gear at the moment and gain money out of that, because your gear will lose a lot of value when we start releasing the camera. So that's what I'm suggesting. This will be competing with RED. This will be competing with Panasonic. This will be competing with even the Canon cinema cameras, the C500 and C300. I don't know what's the catch. But I think that we're gonna be seeing a revolution in the camera industry right now. So that's my advice, guys. Sell your gear now before it's too late, before you lose a bunch of money on it. And if you're interested in the camera, just do it. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you guys think of the new R5. And are you jumping on board? Are you coming to get the R5 soon, or you're passing? All right, thank you guys so much and have a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe. Hands Media, Instagram here, and guys, please give me some likes and let me know in the comments what do you guys want to see more in the channel. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.